Welcome dear students. Today we shall discuss about the triangles and its properties, exercise 6.2 for the students of class 7 subject mathematics. So let us proceed. In exercise 6.2 we are going to discuss exterior angle of a triangle and its property. So, what is exterior angle of a triangle and what is the property? Okay, we shall try to understand this with the help of one example, with the help of one activity. Suppose we have one triangle. Let us draw one triangle. This is the one side. Any triangle, we are not going to measure the sides of the triangle. This is the second side of the triangle, and this is the third side of the triangle, right? So we have also to name the triangle. This is the first vertex A, second vertex B, third vertex C. So name of this triangle is now triangle ABC. We write this as triangle ABC. Okay, now what is the property? First of all, what is the interior angles? What are the interior angles? Interior angles are I am writing here interior angles. Interior angles mean angles inside the triangle. The very first angle is angle A, second angle is this angle, this is called angle B, and third angle is angle C. So these are called interior angles of the triangle ABC. Now we are going to discuss about exterior angle. What is exterior angle? For this purpose, what we do? We have to extend one side of the triangle. Okay, how we extend the one side of the triangle? Suppose this is the side BC. Now this way we extend this side. Now suppose the name of this point is D, right? Now this angle is called exterior angle. Exterior angle. Okay, now what is the name of this exterior angle? We write this as ACD. ACD. So this is called exterior angle of the triangle ABC. So what is this C? What is interior angle? Interior angle is equal to ACB, angle ACB. So this way we can differentiate, we can have the difference between interior angle and exterior angle. Exterior angle is this ACD and interior angle is this ACB. Now we are going to discuss one property. The name of the property is an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. Okay, we shall try to understand this with the help of the diagram. First of all, taking one example, suppose ABC is any triangle with angles, angle A equal to 65 degree, angle B equal to 40 degree, angle C is equal to 75 degree. Here the sum of all the angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so what is the property? An exterior angle of a triangle. So first of all, we draw one exterior angle. How to draw the exterior angle? This way, we are going to draw one exterior angle like this, right? The name of this point is D. Now this is the exterior angle. What is the next in property? An exterior angle, that is this angle of a triangle, is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. What are interior opposite angles? This is the exterior angle, and interior opposite angles are, this is 1 and this is second. That is, this angle is equal to sum is 40 degree plus 65 degree. What is the sum? Sum becomes 105 degree. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. This is the property. Okay, we shall try to understand this with the help of one activity. So now this property becomes activity. Activity is, we are writing here activity with the help of activity. What is activity? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. In my activity, first of all, I have one triangle. The name of this triangle is ABC. One miracle I am going to do now. This triangle can move this way. Okay, what is the name of this triangle? Triangle ABC. Okay, what is the miracle? Triangle is moving. Okay, one more miracle I am going to do. Magic. I am making two triangles of this triangle. One triangle this way. This is another triangle. This way. This is the magic. I know the magic. I shall teach you the magic also. Okay. There are two triangles. They are similar. Okay. These two triangles are similar triangles. So what we are going to do? First of all, so this way we have the triangle ABC. Now what are the interior angles? Interior angles are ABC. So what we do now, we extend one side this way. One side is extended. So in order to draw the exterior angle of the triangle, we have to extend one side of the triangle. BC side is extended up to D. This is the point D. Right? Now what we do? We have to check whether what is the measurement of this angle. Okay, according to the property, angle measurement of angle ACD should be equal to angle A plus angle B, right? According to the property, this should be there. So let us check this now. What I am going to do, I am turning this page, angle A, this way I am going to turn. Okay, I have turned the angle A and I am placing it here, right? Likewise, I am going to turn the second vertex B, right? This way. First of all, angle A is placed here. Second time this angle B is placed here. Now what is the result? Now what is the result? We see that angle A plus angle B plus C, they are on the same line. If they are on the same line, it means the sum of angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because on the same straight line, these three angles lie on the same straight line. That's why the sum of all these angles is equal to 180 degree. Now what is the thing? We know that sum of all three angles of a triangle A plus B plus C is also equal to 180 degree. So what is angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 degree minus angle A minus angle B, right? So this way, what is exterior angle? Exterior angle is A plus B. Angle A plus angle B. Okay, this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. So according to the property, this activity is successfully performed by us, that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles, because all three angles, they lie on the same straight line. So sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. This angle is C, and the exterior angle is A plus B. Now we shall discuss the questions of the exercise 6.2. The very first question is, find the value of the unknown exterior angle x in the following diagrams. So what are the diagrams? First part is, this is the first part. X is the exterior angle. Opposite interior angles are 50 degree and 70 degree, and sum of opposite interior angles, that is equal to exterior angle, which is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. So our answer is 120 degree. This is the solution. This is the angle X. Second part, this is our second part. X is the unknown. Interior angles are given 65 degree and 45 degree. So first of all, what is the sum of these interior angles? These are opposite interior angles. So sum 65 degree plus 45 degree is equal to 110 degree. So what is the exterior angle? Exterior angle is the sum of opposite interior angles. So x is equal to 110 degree. This is our now third part. X is the unknown. Opposite interior angles are 30 degree, 40 degree, and sum of opposite interior angles 30 plus 40 is equal to 70. So what is the measurement of exterior angle? X 70 degree. 70 degree is the value of exterior angle unknown X. Fourth part, this is the exterior angle X 60 degree, 60 degree. Interior angles, okay, So opposite interior angles, the sum of opposite interior angles is 60 plus 60 equal to 120. So the value of x, the value of exterior angle is 120 degree. Now let us come to next part. Part number 5. Interior angles are 50 degree, 50 degree. Exterior angle is x. So firstly, the sum of interior angles, opposite interior angles, 50 plus 50 equal to 100. So value of x is 100 degree. Right? Now next part number 6 is x is the unknown, this is the exterior angle, and opposite interior angles are 30 degree and 60 degree. What is the sum of opposite interior angles? 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degree. So value of x will be 90 degree. Okay, the sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Now we shall discuss our question number 2. Next question. Find the value of the unknown interior angle x in the following diagrams. So here we have the first part. First of all, first part is opposite interior angles are x and 50 degree and exterior angle is 115 degree. So what is the property? Property is exterior angle is equal to, that is 115 degree is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles, that is x plus 50 degree. So we can also write this question writing right hand side here, x plus 50 equal to 115. So x is equal to 50 will move, 50 will go to right hand side, becomes minus 50. So this is 5, okay, 65 degree. So what is the value of x? 65 degree. This is the value of the unknown x. Now in the second part, this is the unknown x, this is the interior angle 70 degree and x. These are the interior angles and exterior angle is 100. So what is the property? Exterior angle, which is equal to 100, is equal to the sum of interior angles. What are interior angles? X plus 70 degree. So how we write this now? We write this x plus 70 is equal to 100. So this way the value of x becomes 100 minus 70, that means 30 degree. So value of x is 30 degree. Part number 3. 125 degree is the exterior angle. This is x. And what is this? This symbol mean this angle is 90 degree, right? Now we use the property. What is the property? Sum of interior angles, opposite interior angles, x plus 90 is equal to exterior angle 125. So x becomes 125 minus 90. That means this is 5 and this is 3. So the value of x is 35 degree. Now this is our fourth part. 125 degree is the exterior angle. What are the interior angles? Opposite interior angles of this 120 degree, 60 degree and x. So what is the property? Sum of opposite interior angles x plus 60 is equal to exterior angle 120 degrees. So x value is 120 minus 60. That means x is equal to 60. So value of x is 60 degree. This is our part number 5. 80 degree is the exterior angle. Opposite interior angles are 30 degree and x. So what is the value of x? Firstly, the sum of opposite interior angles, x plus 30 degree. What is the property? This sum is equal to exterior angle 80 degree. So x is equal to 80 minus 30. That is x is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to 50 degree is the answer. Now this is our sixth part. 75 degree is the exterior angle. Opposite interior angles are 35 degree and x. So according to the property, sum of opposite interior angles, that is x plus 35, is equal to exterior angle, which is 75 degree. So value of x is equal to 75 minus 35. 5 minus 5 0, 7 minus 3 4. So value of x is 40 degree. That's all. Thank you very much.